Okay, replacing the EGR valve on a Mahindra pickup 2012. As you can see, that's where the old EGR valve come out of. Old EGR, new EGR. To remove it, you basically take the intercooler line off and clear away one heater hose, and that'll give you access to the hex bolts underneath. Easy access to these hex bolts here. To tighten the bottom hex bolt, this one here, I've actually found you've got to remove the air cleaner air inlet tube. Okay, that's it. New EGR valve fitted. Don't forget to connect up the vacuum line on there when you're done. There you go there. Okay, thanks for watching.